Alright, so it's Monday, the 8th of April 2019. We've got some storms approaching. This is one of them off in this direction. It is raining a little bit, so I don't know how long we'll be able to stay out here for too long. So I don't know how long I'll be able to stay out here for. I'm hoping I capture a flash of lightning out of this storm. There has been lightning confirmed from this storm as it was approaching. I'm hoping it does some more lightning. It looks very beefy on radar, but I've seen it on lightning maps and hopefully it does something. Yeah, I don't know how long we'll be able to be out here for because the rain is starting to pep up and this camera is not waterproof, so... Oh god, I'm trying to stand out in the corner where the rain doesn't affect it too much. But I may have to go in. There's some birds on the bird table, and if you're wondering what that noise is in the background, that's just my water feature going. And the rain is starting to pep up. I'm just going to have to bring the camera a bit closer to me so it's just protected, or I can put my hand over the top of it so it doesn't get wet. Come on, storm, give us some lightning. It's quite frequent on the lightning maps a minute ago. I don't know what's happened. Oh god, the rain's really falling. If I have to switch to a different location, I am trying to protect the camera. I may have to put my coat on in a minute. While I'm out here, I've got the birds feeding on the bird feeders, so I don't want to take the camera off just in case a lightning flash does happen. I'm going to quickly go in and get my coat and then we'll come back out here and see what happens. So I've just had a look at the radar. I've got my coat on now. The rain does seem to be calming down a little bit, but I have had another look at the radar. Looks very beefy. This is just the light part of it. I've just seen we just got the light rain over us, but further in this storm it's very heavy. So we could be seeing something good in a few minutes, hopefully. Has been warm today. Oh god, here's the rain. The lens is getting wet. I can't get this camera wet because it is not waterproof, like I've said. Again, it has been, like I said, it's been warm today. It's got up to like 17 degrees according to my weather station. That's what my weather station says. It's been nice today, but now, although it's not going to last, it's going to get colder tomorrow. It's supposed to be easterly winds coming in from what I've heard, so unfortunately this weather's not going to last. But yeah, rain does look like it's calmed down a bit now. I'm gonna no, it's back again. Oh god. Yeah, I may have to change location because I don't think I can stay out here. Might stop filming anyway because I'm not really doing much at the moment. I'll come back when it starts doing something and I'll update you. Right, a little bit later on, we've just had a massive clap of thunder. We've had lightning strike all around the area, so I'm going to keep the camera on now. It does look like the storm wants to produce thunder and lightning now, so hopefully capture something and hopefully you guys hear it. I'm just playing the camera around, see. Unfortunately I didn't see the lightning, so I don't know exactly where it went down, but well, I've seen it on lightning maps, so we'll see what happens. It's pretty loud, it was. Stopped raining completely now. I'm currently in my brother's window. It's not raining anymore, it's just very thundery. Oh! Okay, now I know where the lightning is. That was brilliant. Right, well the storm's over here, obviously. Oh. Brilliant thunder coming from this. I should have got my tripod so I don't have to hold the camera because my arms are aching. I might do that in a second. Providing I don't miss a lightning flash. And it's coming from this. Oh my god. scared all the birds are flying off. Right, I'm going to quickly get my tripod. Alright, so I've got the tripod. I've got it on the tripod now. Just move the window a bit. There we go. Oh, don't go out of focus, camera, come on. Perfect view. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's like July 27th, 2018 all over again, because this is exactly what happened on that night. Oh my god, so that's my brother, he's just entered the room. Oh my god. If you watch my video from July 27th last year, at one point in it, the lightning like hit right outside my window. It's like that all over again. Oh my god, the lightning's so close. Panic that way, there we go. Oh, did you hear that? I've just been to unplug my electronics. Oh my god. Wow, what a storm. It's downpouring now. I'm shaking so much. I'm so happy. Oh. Oh no, the window. No, hope that didn't get in the way. Sorry guys. Oh. First proper thunderstorm of the year this is for me here. Just completely downpouring now. Wow. Yeah, I'll leave a link. I'll put it in the top corner of the video in the cards so you guys can watch my I think it was called Intense Thunderstorm from July 27th, 2018. It was in the early hours of the morning, and we had a lightning strike. It was about 3 o'clock in the morning when that happened. There was more lightning. I'm just going to shut up for the thunder. Yeah, as I was saying, there was a really close lightning strike in that one, so I'll put that in the cards in the corner so you guys can check that out. I have to say this one's been, I think, much more intense than the one that happened nearly a year ago during the night. And at the same time all this is happening, I'm also doing a time lapse on I'm also doing a time lapse of this day, so you'll see a time lapse of this day as well. I'll probably link that with this video. Oh my god, I'm still shaking. Oh, the rain's calming down again. Look at it, police cars. Oh, that was a fire engine. Oh god. More lightning. think maybe one of these lightning strikes might have struck something and set it on fire, so the fire brigade are having to go and sort it. Let me have a look at the radar and see what's going on. Oh no, I don't want that. Yeah, big beefy storm. I will have to stop filming here in a bit because actually no, I think it'll be alright. Actually, we've still got half an hour because we're going off to the bowling in about half an hour. Although I probably won't be driving out until this storm's passed. That was some intense lightning. Wow. I'm going to have to end it off here now because I've got to head off to the bowling, but my god, that was worth filming. It does look like the storm is now moving away, it does look like it's clearing up, but that was absolutely worth it. Sorry that I was talking it, but oh my god, that was brilliant. So yes, hopefully you enjoyed this thunderstorm. And yeah, so if you guys did enjoy this video, please give it a like and subscribe. It really means a lot to me. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. God, that was worth filming.